The West Giant Hills District Sport Office today observed the Youth Day celebration with an awareness program. A sizable number of young people participated in the program, including lectures on drug abuse, food and nutrition and mental health. The youth celebration coincided with the birth anniversary of modern Indian thinker, reformist and humanist Dr. Swami Vivekananda. Speaking on the occasion, the District Sports Officer, West Giant Hills District, Kro Pasar, stressed on the need of physical activities to ensure good health. Kro Pasar also encouraged the youth to take up sports as a career, as it provides immense opportunities for livelihood. A representative from ICDS Eskindia said, the youth should eat a balanced diet to ensure good health. She said, nutritious food should be taken according to one's age.
Activities, we take it very lightly. Young Jua Yongi, Lile Ki, Katni sports, we thought they let Ki, thought Lile Yoko, Yoja, Kani, thought them thought. Kani, Cam sports, the money Ki, Bon Gibru, Santo Baklagi, Ongi Way Cam sports, thought Lile Ki, Kibe Kipan, Yungla, Ongi Kande Ki, Giti Kone. Han pia kan ni ke partai ke juk thame kan ni damani ki ne ba bon ki khana ki da lai ki dio ki kre ikam han Meghalaya sports kongi naga sports quota te sevile awile iki sport cam sports ne physical activities develop i physical mental social economic part yang ga jing im ge yang i wong physical to yo i chai ye kya wong mental yo i jabin i chai yo kya social one wong i ye yu em lang wi perlok ni bha ni le ke ye chami wi lok ni wi thau chai wi thau ye chami ye man make friends here pudi yang i with the economical one kamu da ong ne to da mani ki khan hakani ga juk ka thame
Ini kau pentelon leni jiwa penterekam yang korkom jengmut jemperkat the psychoactive drugs that are used by people by different reason kedau hawa pen kam di ya gitu drugs ikna hinru ibon sen kat ni hawa iwani wale kedau wale da tia ile kedau la da bang le kedau iwani le kedau henry Chuawo di gitu drugs gidau ile wo di dah ni di belum melau the this out of curiosity how of curiosity mot kuat beta ke jing trang ke jing kuat utip kaman man ni drugs kuat test kuat utip kaman man ni drugs and peer pressure especially among school children and young adults. Apoi pihak ini kecukup kat ni ke ini drug abuse dia sedang dineduk di teens, neduk di kat sosmed.
The Youth Day celebration was also observed in the state capital Shillong. The large number of youth with war potential attended the program. Speaking to the media, the director of Meghalaya Institute of Entrepreneurship, B. Maulong, said, the institute encourages all sections of the youth to take up their own businesses.
New businesses, young businesses, innovative, meet my, meet compare, come tam lagi gitu kiba, dong problem, kila bani ekonomi solution, nak tu solution kita pun kelak, ya kamu ke business venture, te haji sisa nak yang ke business kamu dah tanam teki kena, ambil tanam teki samla, kila bani kita orang baru, kila bani kita terika mencuai kila song thaj, mereka course of their career, kiui ke problem. Cuma mentah kita beri lagi ke problem juga ke traffic problem. Kita lawan ni ke ekonomi solution cuma kata. Dan kita lawan isu problem juga garbage. Ini ke solution ta. So basically ke idea should be young. The business idea should be young. So already ke age kan cuma beri. Ti ke ini kini ke prime hub kan. Ti ke hub kita di tengah jaka. Ke prime kita ke program where we encourage kita ki business idea come to my come pelai belapan solve problem jaga society. In all, namar ba ngijit dari klik beriau mo. In all, kita 50 ideas, 50 top ideas. Jadi hakawai ke business idea, kita ada partners, kita ada airline, the total number of ideas kita sanpau.